At the end of last year, we took a look at our HVAC and refrigeration and found around $30,000 of repairs that could have been avoided had we been doing a little bit more preventative maintenance. My name is Dean Elias. I am the facilities lead at Blank Street. Blank Street is a coffee chain. We started in Brooklyn, moved to the UK. Ever since I've been a part of the facilities team, we've been using ResQ. Early on, we were allowing our GMs to submit tickets, so any little thing that came up was getting sent to a vendor. We were spending a lot of money. We've since started using it to the fullest and have grown to be more strategic with how we're submitting work orders. And when it's necessary to go in and see if it's something that we could have avoided with preventative maintenance, we've seen a noticeable difference in the amount of tickets that we get for those things because we have someone coming out and doing preventative maintenance on those pieces of equipment more often. Using the data through ResQ, we've found about $80,000 that we could have saved had we had someone in market. Using ResQ versus what we used to do, but just everything through emails, it's like night and day. How much more organized and easy it is to manage facilities. Without ResQ, we couldn't have expanded in Boston and grown at the rate that we're growing at. When we open new stores, it's very easy. ResQ makes it very easy. We send an email, say we're opening these stores. ResQ gets them uploaded onto the platform for us. We have the option of ResQ coming and tagging all of our equipment. It's a step that we don't have to think about too much. We're able to give that to ResQ, and we trust that it's all going to be in place and ready to go. Our vendors, our preventative maintenance vendors, are all going to be set up and ready to start when that store is ready to open. It takes something off of our plate that we don't need to do. It takes all the stress away from me if ResQ is going to help me. I don't ever feel like I'm left out to dry.